Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Vid Scratch review. Now, for those of you out there looking to create a unique new style of landing page which includes gamification, this product is definitely for you. Vid Scratch and gamification is hitting on a lot of psychological triggers that are going to compel people to sign up to your mailing list. So number one, when you include gamification, people are rewarded. The reward bias is the most powerful bias apparently. Number two, people just like winning. People want to see, people have curiosity, they want to see what's behind the curtain and what they can get out of it. And number four, consistency. When someone has played or done something or you've gotten them to do something, for example, scratching as you do in this Vid Scratch, which we will get into in a second, they're going to want to finish what they started, which will mean getting the offer and signing up with their email address. Now, let's take a quick look here at just what I was talking about. There are some demo vid scratches here, and this is what will be on your landing page. And what will happen is you mouse over, you can see my mouse has turned into a coin, and just like a normal scratch card, I'm going to start scratching and I'm going to see what I've won. See, it pops up. This video, enter my email address, we've got this one here, and you can change what comes up. Okay, you can define the luck, the rate at which certain things come up for your audiences. Here's number three. Alright, so today we're going to take a deep dive into Vid Scratch so you can see an over-the-shoulder look, exactly what to expect, and as well as that I've thrown in some really great bonuses that are going to go hand in hand with it, that are really going to help you hit the ground running and help you get the most out of Vid Scratch. Before we get into that though, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that little bell notification so that you're updated with new platforms coming out that are going to help you make money online. Also, if you stick around to the end of this video, I've also gotten you some discount codes that you can use if you decide to purchase Vid Scratch exclusively through my link. Now, if you want to jump ahead of this video at any time, make sure you do go through the link in the description. That will take you through to my bonus page first, which looks like this. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official Vid Scratch sales page. So what it means is if you go through to this page first and you click on any of these green buttons, that will lock in all of these bonuses before then sending you off to the sales page. If you do decide to purchase Vid Scratch, you will not only then get Vid Scratch, but you'll get all these bonuses thrown in into one big bundle that you can access immediately. Now, the first bonus I've gotten for you is called Evergreen Leads. Now, because Vid Scratch is a component or a tool to help you build gamification landing pages, Evergreen Leads is going to go hand in hand with that really well. What can you expect in this? Basically, this goes into lead generation as a whole. So how to create landing pages, how to create free offers, how to create marketing copy, and that's the writing that is going to go on your landing page that's going to compel people to buy, how to write up follow-up emails. It goes in depth on following up, Facebook ads, on-page and off-page SEO, Instagram, and also Reddit. So really just everything to do with getting leads to getting them to your Vid Scratch page. Bonus number two I've gotten for you is called WordPress Engagement Boost. So you're going to be using Vid Scratch no doubt on a WordPress site, so this is going to help you get even more engagement. So this goes into a little bit about site health, how to improve your site health, how to increase your speed of your WordPress site and your WordPress plugins. Often plugins can slow your site down, so this goes into how to overcome that. And there are some amazing hacks on how to boost engagement on your landing pages and also how to drive traffic to them. Kind of an add-on to the Evergreen Leads I just talked about. As well as that, it goes into effective ways of how to turn just normal visitors going to your site into full-blown subscribers. Bonus number three I've gotten for you is really a two-part bonus. So these are extra plugins for WordPress that I decided to throw in, which I think will work well with Vid Scratch. So the first one, List Up, is going to help you create landing pages that you can put your Vid Scratch scratches on. So you can create landing pages or squeeze pages that include things like tracking via WordPress, sharing your landing pages. You can include countdown timers, submit buttons, different kind of buttons and things like that. This page is basically going to take all that programming kind of guesswork out of creating landing pages and just create them for you. The second bonus I've gotten for you, which can go hand in hand with both Vid Scratch and list up is WordPress Commission plugin. So this is going to help you create video review pages similar to my bonus page actually, and also again take the guesswork, the programming out of it. So this will also work really well with VidScratch, because you can put VidScratch onto your videos, which are then going on these review pages if you wanted to. So you can create review pages, add bonuses with affiliate links with this, collect buyer emails, create unlimited buttons, store leads inside of WordPress, edit lead information and things like that. This is a massive plugin, and it's really going to go hand in hand with VidScratch really well, I think. So this is a two-part bonus which I thought is going to help you if you're bad at creating pages. You know, you can create pages with these plugins and maybe throw your VidScratch on top of it. Bonus number 4 I've gotten for you is called content syndication, and this is really everything to do with actually proactively going out there and getting leads yourself rather than passively rely on SEO and things like that. So this is going to help you to get leads from all the social media platforms as well as Reddit. Be active in getting your leads. I'm that kind of person too. Get those people, get that targeted audience and send them to your offers. This goes into how to do that effectively. The 5th bonus is I've gotten you access to a whole bunch of bonuses that the vendor has hooked me up to give to you. So really quickly, I'm going to go through these. You can pause the screen if you want. So we've got 50 white label done for you lead magnets. We've got first 5,000 leads from scratch. They're giving you Facebook Messenger Builder for VidScratch. This looks really cool. They're giving you whiskers and cheese method in order to get local clients. So if you're an agency, that's really good for you. Reseller rights to 45 done for you contractor local videos. That will work really well with VidScratch. Reseller rights to viral mobile 2. We've got local Facebook reviewer ad, so to create testimonials and things like that, which are great. Another psychological trigger there. Reseller rights to Traffic Fresh Pro as well as training, which I guess is content curation. Image Composer Ranker Pro. We've got resale rights to premium PowerPoint collection, so these are images and themes and infographics you can see here. Unlimited reseller rights to Vidneos, which pre-ranks videos for you. 1,000 motivational quotes with resale rights. WordPress notification bar, 4-stock video collection, home video studio, and there you go, some amazing bonuses there. So if that sounds good to you, remember, step 1, click that link in the description. You'll go through to my bonus page, lock in your bonuses by clicking on these green buttons. That will send you off to the VidScratch sales page, which looks like this, and I would recommend going through it in your own time. There's another one. So you can, so it's addictive, so you can check out and see if it's right for you. If you do decide to purchase, you will be sent a digital receipt which looks like this, and as I said, under the green button will be VidScratch, under the blue button all my bonuses. Super easy to access. My email's there if you have any questions. Now I will say that this is a launch week special, so any exclusive discounts that you're getting I'm going to talk about in a minute, as well as bonuses and any discount pricing you're getting through my link is dependent on this timer, so keep your eye on it. If it has hit 0, these bonuses will no longer be available. If there is still time, it means they are still available. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the less price, right? So without further ado, let's get into the demo of VidScratch so you can see exactly what it's all about.
Hey, in this video, we're going to go over how to create irresistible video scratch card lead generation games that skyrocket opt-in rates and help get much more traffic, leads, and sales for you or clients fast. Data is in, and traditional opt-in forms, lead magnets, and money off coupons hardly convert anymore. But using the power of 100% proprietary gamification technology, you can build a list far faster. So upon signing into the VidScratch Cloud dashboard, we can see statistics, edit a previous campaign, or create a new one. If you want to use one of VidScratch's done-for-you templates in hot local niches, just hit Edit Previous Campaign, copy the niche you want to use, and begin editing that. VidScratch comes with several already done-for-you campaigns in local niches or general campaigns. For this example, however, let's create a campaign from scratch and build our own custom game using the blank canvas method. Just hit Create Campaign, give it a name, and then we can begin designing our initial scratch card. So this will be the initial thing visitors see and can scratch off that tempts them to play the game and win a reward. As you can see, the Scratch Card Creator is point and click easy with tons of customizable options to really get visitors interacting. First, we can change the text using done-for-you graphics, or write your own headline. You can write things like, scratch to win a free course, scratch to win up to 80% off. The possibilities are endless. You can change the font, size, color, and much more to anything you desire. Now let's edit the background of our card game. Use one of the suggested Vid Scratch backgrounds, upload your own, or choose from millions of imported images in any niche you want. Next, pick your cursor or coin the game player will use to scratch off the card. To make the game as addictive as possible, the user's cursor will be substituted for a coin, just like a real scratch-off game. You can also add icons, emojis, while customizing the shape of them, shapes, or upload your own graphics to use. Also, to really help conversions, you can add special animations to your scratch card games to draw visitors to them. So just pick your animation, customize the duration of it, delay, and count, and hit animate. Finally, choose your game settings, including what fun casino sounds users will hear if they win, and the win probability settings, meaning you can have someone win a prize every time they play if you set it to 100, or no one could ever win if you set it to 0. Alright, next we need to customize the lose screen. This is if you choose to have someone potentially lose your game, and works exactly the same way as the scratch screen. Then customize the win screen, or what someone sees if they have won a prize while scratching off. First, let visitors know exactly what they won by editing your headline. Then, to increase conversions even more, VidScratch allows you to insert videos right above the submit button, encouraging users to give you their best email address for their prize. Any video works here, just enter the URL and make sure the checkmark box is on. You can also add background images or background colors like this. Next, choose if you want to give away multiple prizes or multiple coupons to your winners. VidScratch allows you to give away different prizes under one campaign by checking the multiple price option feature. Basically, you can add different coupon prices or prizes by editing the current options and then clicking the blue button to add more if you want. So for example, we can give away a $2 coupon with the title 2 off, as well as a $5 coupon with the title 5 off. That way, everyone is not winning the same prize every time they play. Just make sure to add the placeholder price option in your opt-in screen headline and placeholder price coupon in your thank you page screen. And finally, customize the submit button, which they'll press upon entering their email. You can edit the text, choose from a wide variety of buttons as well. There's also the option to customize your terms and conditions of your game, as well as the GDPR information. Next, choose which autoresponder you want to send your captured leads to. VidScratch works with all autoresponder systems, including webinar ones and customized ones. Then customize your thank you screen, or the screen that appears after visitors have opted in to get the prize that they won. Just like before, you can customize the title with shortcodes, add video to help engage with your brand, add images, and choose to have a CTA button that leads them to a course or an affiliate product if you want. This is a great way to make money from your new lead right off the bat. Finally, click Finish and Embed to start putting your VidScratch campaigns on any web page and get leads. Just copy the embed code and paste anywhere you want, as VidScratch works with all major page builders. And remember, at any time, you can go back to the My Campaigns tab to see all your previously created campaigns and edit or embed them anytime you want. It's that easy to start creating addictive games that are going to double your list, double your traffic, and double your sales for yourself or your clients.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. You're looking forward to getting your hands on VidScratch and seeing what it can do for you. Now, if you go through to my bonus page again, it will show you some information here about the pricing and the structure and what to expect when you're going through the buying process. So you've got VidScratch Agency, which is what you saw basically in the video. So you're getting agency rights at the front end. One-time offer number one is you're getting platinum. You'll be able to get more campaigns, leads, and views for months. Includes premium features like different animations, funnel analytics, A/B split testing, lead videos, and more embed options. Upsell number 2 is VidScratch Enterprise. You get more features, unlock unlimited campaigns, leads, client access, and resell the software on your own as well. So you can take VidScratch as your own product, resell it, get 100% of the profits. So that's really good. You get print-on-demand things, graphics, sales videos to go along with that if you do want to resell it. One-time offer number 3, VidScratch White Label, 100 licenses. You can resell VidScratch to clients with your logo and domain. So you can completely change the branding of VidScratch, call it VidScrape or whatever, and sell that on as your own product. One-time offer number 4, VidScratch Vid Repurposer Special. You can get access to Vid Repurposer, groundbreaking new video content multiplayer app. So yeah, if you want that, that can go hand in hand with VidScratch as well. And you know, it's really up to you. What I will say is that you do only need the front end offer to get access to all the bonuses. So don't think you need all these upsells to get those bonuses I talked about before. You actually don't. You just need this. So for $29.95, actually look on the screen right now. It's not $29. It's because you're getting these discounts on your screen right now. So if you take into consideration everything you're getting for the discounted price via my link, there really is not a lot to lose, a ton of value there. If you do have any questions, definitely feel free to hit me up in the comments, email, or my social media. I do reply to everybody. If not, enjoy VidScratch. Hope you get the most out of it. Hope you love all those bonuses, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.